We'll guide you through how to add a YouTube bot to Discord. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over the guide to Pauser, who's going to continue with it.
Now the first thing that you need to do is open Discord and go to the channel where you want to add the bot. In my case, it's going to be the GuideRealm server. So after you are in the server, just go ahead and click on the server name at the top and then go to app directory. Now from here in the search bar, just go ahead and search for YouTube and then press enter. And now you should see the YouTube bot. Let's go ahead and click on it and then choose to click on add app. After that, just go ahead and select the server. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the drop down and then select my server and then click on continue and then scroll down and authorize it. After that, you can see it is added. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to my server. Now just go ahead and go to your server name once again and then go to server settings. Now go to roles and then from here select your YouTube role, which in my case is going to be all the way down. After that, just go ahead and click on the YouTube role and then go to permissions. Now from here, make sure permissions such as view channel, send message, embed link, attach file and read message history are toggle on. After that, just go ahead and save your changes. After that, you can just go ahead and close this. And now just go ahead and click on the plus icon for text channel and then give your channel a name. So let's say I want to type something like YouTube. After that, create the channel. Now once your channel is open, go to the edit channel and then here go to permissions, go to advanced permission and then here make sure YouTube bot has the permission to view channel and send the messages and then click on save changes. Once that it is done, return to your text channel and then now just go ahead and type a forward slash and at the left hand side you can scroll down and then click on YouTube. From here you can go with any YouTube bot command. So let's say I want to go with something like notify ad and I'm just gonna go ahead and select the channel as YouTube and then press enter. Now it will ask you for YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and add your YouTube channel, which in my case is going to be GuideRealm. After that, I'm just gonna click on submit and now you can click on the drop down and then select your channel. And now you can see you will now successfully receive notification for new uploads from the selected channel. And that's basically it.